So I'm just sitting in the cafe and working on my business and sipping coffee. And I thought, why not create a video where I tell uh, mindset shifts that are required to in order to do a business, in order to make a successful business, and especially in a creative field. So hi, my name is Garima. I'm a creative consultant for businesses which are in the creative field, and I help them with their branding, visibility, and their creative operations. So the first tip, let me sip my coffee. So the first tip that I would want to give is consume content, and by that I don't mean like reels and all those quick contents. No, content like real content, YouTube videos, do books. So like I myself, I finished 2 books in a week, and I am my books are literally categorized based on marketing and sales, advertising, then business building, life lessons, and creativity. Because of course I can't leave that, right? So what I do is, and I guess this is everyone should follow, that when you're not working, like actual working, consume content in any way. Put up a YouTube video, start reading, or do anything. Why? Because what this does, one thing that it helped me was whenever I started doubting something, or I'm not getting an answer to something and I'm unable to work on something, I could just obviously I will take a breather, but what I would do is I would go and consume anything which is related to my subject matter, and it would at least like help me in my learning, getting more, and I would instantly get the idea, or the entire thing which is tangled in my head would just get solved. So with that, this is why I say consuming content is so important. So, and like many people would say ki, what are you doing? Work on your business, like work or do this. Why are you consuming? It's like sometimes it's fine whenever you need a breather, take a break, but make that productive as well, and that's gonna help more in accelerating the success of your business. So I am a big advocate of consuming content, actively consume content. The second tip that I would like to give is get up and get to work. So this is one of my friends that told me that you need to plan the things that what are you going to work on like a night before. So what I used to do is I used to sit there like, okay, I'm done with my work today, and I'll go to sleep next day. So my day starts with like, I would wake up, freshen up everything, and then have breakfast, have my coffee, and while having coffee, I'll read something, and then go to the gym, come back, take a shower, have lunch, and do few chores like watering the plants and all that. And by the time I would get to the work, it'll be 2 in the evening, and I'm like, so many hours are wasted. And then 2 o'clock, I would start with, okay, what am I supposed to do today? And there was no structure in anything. So I started doing this one thing wherein a night before I would jot down at least two small things or medium pasting, not very heavy duty ones. Like if I've shot a reel or a video, I need to edit it. So that's what I'll do. I'll start at least editing. I might not complete it in the morning, but I'll just edit in the morning, right? And as soon as I would wake up, I would start working. What this used to do, and till the time doing it, is I wake up and I get into the work and I get into the working wala mindset. So the entire day I have thoughts of, okay, now what in business? What are my reels? How is my content gonna look like? What funnel I need to post? Okay, how can I help this particular business or for my clients and everything? So since the minute I wake up, like my mind starts getting into the work wala environment, and it's not like 2 o'clock. By 2 o'clock that I get into the the environment of working. So that used to save a lot of time. And honestly, if you start working by evening, no, there is a good chance that an hour or two you're gonna waste in understanding what to do today and all that, and then by the time you realize, like it's again the day has ended. And the third and the most important that I would like to share is leverage creative mindset over hands-on creativity. See, people come to you for a product or service for a possible solution of their problem, right? And see, everyone and anyone, especially in the service-based business, everyone and anyone can create. Everyone and anyone can pick up a brush and start drawing, or use Photoshop or Illustrator, because it has become so easy. You have so many YouTube free tutorials to just learn all these skill based things. So I guess it's high time that as creatives we should stop leveraging on our skills, because anyone can make drawings or posters or anything. For that matter, AI now itself can do it. So where does it leave us? Now yes, AI can do it, everyone can do it, but what makes you different from the others is your ability to create such designs that produce actual solutions for your clients. Think about it, like they never approached us because they wanted something to be done. They wanted a solution to the problem. Now, let's say, for example, a food business owner has hired a marketing and branding agency to get their visibility out there in the market, right? So that more people come eat, whatever. And we all know how the deal must have gone, like that. Okay, I'll create 5 reels and 10 posts a month, and we're gonna charge 50K for that. And yes, that's fine. You'll end up delivering 5 reels and 10 posts every month. But while you were taking that picture or shooting for the reel, did it ever occur to the marketing agency that I how can I shoot a picture that will create more footfall in the restaurant, or how can I make more people retain, or should I do a market research for retaining the customers, or should I do a market research for branding? No, right? You did a 2 to 3 hour job of clicking 5 photos and 10 reels, and then went to collect your payment. So this is what I was talking about, leveraging creative mindset. Think of it from a point of view, how can I produce results for whatever service or product that I have, that I am selling? Because that's how you're gonna stand apart from the crowded market of so many businesses available to do the same job. Like, they do say that market is saturated. Of course the market is saturated because there's demand, but if there's demand, that means that you have all the power to make yourself different and stand in a crowded market with a different offer, and especially a very different way of thinking, so that you can actually produce genuine results for your clients. So that's it with my 3 tips that I would want every business to follow, especially the creative ones, because okay, I'm a creative myself. So just repeating it: first is consume a lot of content, good content, then get up and get started, like get up and get start working. And the third one is leverage your creative mindset over your creative skills. And I'll see you in the next one.